Good evening to everybody. I, Karishma.
And I, Harshita, welcome you all to the presentation phase of the Battle of Great Minds Season 3, an initiative by L&D Global Mumbai and Connector. The journal for today's presentation is Media and Entertainment, which is mentored by Ms. C.G. Varghese.
To mentor our 24 great minds, we have the most talented panel of judges with us today. Ms. C.G. Varghese, Dr. Bhavi Modi, Dr. Ms. Deena Jain, Dr. Smita Gandhi, Ms. Simona Teron. We welcome all of you today. We also welcome our very enthusiastic director, Mr. Pranavesh Shenoy.
Thank you.
And hereby we declare the presentation phase of the Battle of Great Minds Season 3 open.
In journalism, there has always been a tension between getting it first and getting it right. Here we have our next group, Group B, the Lanters, and they are very energetic and as sharp as whips. So presenting to you Group B.
Good afternoon, everybody. Reporting to you live, it's Mahima Joshi from the group Delanters. Before I start, I should let you know this is going to be the best presentation you have ever witnessed, something you have never seen before.
Wait a minute, Mahima. I think you are sensationalizing things. How do you even prove that?
Well, yes, I am. I have nothing to support my statements, yet I'm making them. This brings me to our presentation today, Yellow Journalism. I'm sure many of us are on social media platforms and receive news headlines that make us want to click on them immediately. Here, the student is not even, the death is not even because of the vaccine. Print media does it too. They have a headline that captures you, but this one, it's not even clear who murdered whom. And the very infamous broadcast media. Here, bizarre headlines like "Kya aliens गाय का दूध पीते हैं?" that makes everyone curious. Well, if there was ever a competition held for such type of journalism, then surely Indian media channels would excel at this because nobody can beat them in the absurd news that they break. Such is the power of yellow journalism. They attract you with over-exaggeration and blowing things out of proportion. Just like yellow-colored buses, yellow helmets that attract you. The term came from the American Gilded era of 1890s when the new technology made newspapers cheaper. This created a feud between two papers, the William Hearst's New York Journal and Joseph Pulitzer's New York World. You might be thinking, why yellow? Well, yellow is because both of these newspapers had a similar comic with a yellow-colored character. He wore a yellow shirt, and that's the reason. Well, ulterior motives for personal gain is what this type of journalism thrives on, and it is rightly known as to be without a soul. Connected with us, we have Tapaswini, who's going to take over and tell us the motive behind yellow journalism.
Yes, yellow journalism. Yellow journalism help us to portray things in a different way. It can be a story that is completely biased without showing the other sides of the picture, or it can be a story that is completely based on the true news. And also, the largest portion of the reading people consist of working class, and newspaper costs around 5 to 6 rupees. So in an attempt to increase the sales, editors have started experimenting with sensationalism and introduced descriptive images, stories, gossips, and big headlines, and the news are frequently fabricated to attract more eyeballs. Yellow journalism is a way of publishing news in such a format that attract the attention of lot of people and also to increase the circulation of the newspaper. And most probably, our human tendency, that is curiosity, makes it yellow journalism on top of the list. And do you really think giving entertainment a priority over correct information and logical reasoning, however the data is twisted or dark? So to know the effects of yellow journalism, let's get connected to Chirag from Nashik.
Basically, the first effect of yellow journalism is circulation of fake news. Yellow journalism has most of vague stories, and they are not based on facts and figures. It is result of deliberate fabrication, and in some, it is result of poor research of the story. For example, 2000 rupee note will have chip in it, which will help government track that the money is being circulated. The second is misconception. Misconception has led to spread of wrong ideas in mind of people. We tend to believe stories and facts that are not true. We tend to absorb information that we hear on daily basis, but they are false and they are not based on hard facts. For example, many people still believe that COVID-19 doesn't exist, and they think that it is part of a very large conspiracy theory. And the third effect is altercation. Yellow journalism, because of its way of portraying, has caused rift between people and in many instances between countries as well. For example, the Spanish-American War, which was a result of yellow journalism, where a conflict occurred between two nations just because media had involvement in it, and they tried to bolster the situation. Prachi is connected from Sudan, and she will tell us about existence of yellow journalism.
We all know that we are a trap of yellow journalism in one or another way. We could see some of the examples right in front of our eyes. A site which was thought to be used for dog cremation could now be used for humans due to current situation. Or if you talk about the other example, bogs are available in wetlands and store more carbon dioxide than the trees. So cutting down trees in these wetlands could be an add-on advantage to the environment. But arrangement of words is done in such a way that it misleads the audience of what it was actually going to deliver. Whether it's newspapers, TV reporters, news channels, TV channels, social media, we all know that yellow journalism exists everywhere. But did we ever give a thought that this journalism would even exist in grocery stores? But the question is, how can we understand that we are a part of all this? Some of the acronyms used are words like outstanding, unbelievable, astonishing, and one of the major ways to mislead the audience is through the arrangement of sentences. It is done in such a way that it misleads the audience and it misleads that what it was actually going to deliver. So the only reason is to increase the number of clicks, and that is known as clickbait. Clickbait is considered to be the modern version of yellow journalism. Now that we know about yellow journalism, Rohit is connected with us from Ahmednagar to tell us how to cope up with yellow journalism.
So, very rightly, as Prachi said, that now we have an idea what yellow journalism is. I feel it is of equal importance that we should know a defense mechanism against it. So let me introduce you to that. So what I am going to say next may sound bizarre to you, but just give it a year. Treat news like some toxic relationships, for instance. Have trust issues. Have trust issues with what? Scary headlines which are in huge prints, lavishing use of pictures, potentially faked interviews, pseudosciences, like the ones you must have seen in the beginning of our presentations. Kya aliens गाय का दूध पीते हैं? And other misleading headlines. Secondly, cross-verify. Cross-verify each and every piece of news that you consume. For example, if you're consuming a piece of news, say from channel ABC, cross-check that with channel XYZ as well. Look at the sources which are providing it. Are they really reliable? And don't judge a book by its cover. Read the entire article. And if you require, you can always consult an expert. Lastly, it is good to believe in your instincts sometimes. Do you really think that the 2000 rupee nose has some chip in it? I'm afraid if you think so. Lastly, I just like to quote, never panic after consuming any piece of news. After all, pain is temporary. We all are gonna die one day. Jokes apart, now we have a fair idea about what yellow journalism is. So now onwards, whenever you will consume news, it won't be the same for you all. It will be very much fun, I feel. Whenever you will come across an article that shows sensationalism, you can say around your friends that, hey guys, I know this is an example of yellow journalism, and you need to unsubscribe from sources which are providing it. Because if you want to support true journalism, just as my screen says, unsubscribing from yellow sources with yellow journalism is your first step towards supporting true journalism. You can also support true journalism by subscribing to various independent journalists which are trying to build themselves on social platforms. So this was Team Delanters talking about yellow journalism from the newsroom. Signing off. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. It was an amazing presentation. Let's move on to the judges.
Okay, so good show, guys. Before I start with that, where is your backdrop gone? You know, these guys had a lovely backdrop of the Delantes. So where is it disappeared? So you thought not to keep ahead, go ahead with that?
No, because that was not actually looking good.
Okay.
वो उसमें फिर अपना background and वो हो जा रहा है.
Okay, done.
Submerge हो रहा है.
Okay. So first and foremost, I must comment that your presentation slides, wow, it was really a visual treat. I just enjoyed watching that lovely color concepts along with what you wanted to say about yellow journalism, the whole take in yellow color and the black background behind it. I should say was such a visual treat. It's seriously a visual treat for the entire thing. I really enjoyed that. Energy level is amazing. What I liked the next thing was like the last person, Rohit actually said an action point for everyone for us to mull on, which is again a very good take. It's a very valid one. You inspired us not to go ahead with yellow journalism, not to support that and go for something else. And the transitions were good. And I like that, Mahima, that you started in the journalist format. When you started, you gave that dramatic effect. So yeah, yes. I was suddenly thinking, who is this, like a news reader? And then you which was like very nice. So I guess overall, a lot of it, I'm not going to tell too much because then my fellow mentors would say that Siji said it all. We have nothing to tell. So I'm going to give them the opportunity. Thank you.
Awesome,
Thank
Suji.
you so much, Suji, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So
अभी से ना सीजी को पहला चांस नहीं देते, सीजी को लास्ट में रखते हैं.
फिर सीजी बोलेगी सब लोग ने सब कुछ बोल दिया, अभी मैं क्या बोलूं?
Actually, लास्ट में बोलने का एडवांटेज ये होता है.
हाँ, सबका पॉइंट मिलता है हमने को. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so TK. So as you guys were talking of yellow journalism, I would have little liked if you guys would have touched on something called Godi media, okay, which is a very, very important part of yellow journalism. So that is something that was the only point that you missed in your entire presentation that you did. Of course, whatever CG ma'am says holds true. Your presentation, the way you carried yourself, the way, you know, वो ऐसे लग रहा था कि ABP Maza news channel चालू है and, you know, India wants to know kind of a thing was going on during your presentation, which was awesome. You rocked the show totally. But, you know, when you said yellow journalism, this was little something that I was looking forward to. And I was a little disappointed when you did so much of research. इतना आप लोगों ने जब इतना अच्छा काम किया तो ये एक छोटा सा point miss हो गया, which is okay because we understand that there is time limitation, there is as much as you can present, there was a flow and there was a theme. So probably this didn't fit your theme. I can understand that also. So overall, superb presentation, and you guys really nailed it. So you guys were the best, and yes, curiosity does kill the cat. So on that note, let the next, person speak a little more about what they felt, but you guys were super.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Means a lot.
Mr. Mona, ma'am, your feedback.
Judges can take your initiative on speaking directly for the feedback. Let's not wait.
Let's not wait to be called upon.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's not wait on ceremony. Okay. So I loved it. I liked the very cool idea. It's not an original idea, but it worked really well for this, to present it like a news show. And I like that there were even the little slightly shouty elements, so like subliminally, like she pointed out, reminding you of a certain gentleman. And I think the energy it flowed beautifully. Everyone again lifted the load equally. I don't know how many of you worked on the research equally, but definitely while presenting, I think everyone took a certain segment and really ran with it. I do wish, Tapaswini, I feel that I don't know if this was a conscious thing or if that's just how you speak, but you're very gentle and very soft-spoken. And unfortunately, when it comes to presentations, that may work in the real world, but when it comes to presenting, there's a slightly, like you guys exactly showed us, right? There's a performative aspect to presenting, and somewhere being a little more vocal. You don't have to shout like Mr. So-and-so, but having that ability to throw your voice, to project, it helps a little bit. So actually you're quite blessed because you have a microphone dangling right under your chin. You don't have to do such extreme vocal exercises, but just remembering, and I know how difficult this can be when you're nervous, but remembering to breathe normally helps a lot with projecting your voice. Okay, so we can talk about this offline separately later, because I teach this thing, because I know how difficult it is to remember all your points, keep your smile on your face, and speak loudly. It takes a bit of training to do that. So I'm hoping you can work on that a little bit for your next presentation. That said, sure, thanks. Rohit, I think, had that really cool, he's very suave. Either you're very comfortable in front of the camera or what, I don't know. Maybe you take a lot of selfies, maybe you do a lot of videos or video chatting or whatever, but that ease with the camera definitely showed. And I think that is something that is, again, very important, because we're doing this online, right? So the ability to connect with your audience when there are these tiny, tiny squares can be very unnerving. And I love that it didn't get to most of you, okay? So that's, again, something to remember when you're presenting, because yes, content matters, but delivery is just as important. I made a few notes. I'll be very quick with this. I know I'm taking a bit of time, but I do believe this has some value for the participants. So I like the fact that you started with this historic shout out कि मतलब yellow journalism ऐसे शुरू हुआ था, इस वजह से उसको yellow बुलाया गया था, and all of this part really set the stage. So then you all built on that, and then it kind of came full circle when you immediately touched into how it still continues, and except it's now called clickbait. So I really appreciated that evolution of yellow journalism and how you brought it from where it began right now, like to show that मतलब ये बीमारी अभी भी फैल रही है. This is worse than corona, because this has the power to destroy much more, and the wars, etc. All of those examples, fantastic. I love, maybe because I'm a nerd, but I love the historic aspect, and I think it's important because it lent a lot of weight to your presentation. I do have a question about, also I wanted to give a compliment to Prachi. Somehow I felt that your delivery was, there was a lot of nuance, and just with your inflections, you were able to convey a lot of stuff without really doing anything dramatic and without like overacting or anything. And I think that's definitely a skill you might want to consider going into theater. It was excellent. Okay, acronyms. I want to ask who decided to bring in that bit about acronyms? Acronyms like amazing, incredible, this. Can somebody please tell me what that was about?
Ma'am, since it was my part, but it was actually made brought up by me. But then everybody, gave up their new ideas and all, which actually merged up into it. Got better and better. So yeah.
What a diplomatic answer. Okay, sahi jawab. But actually, it's not acronyms. Acronyms are when you shorten something to use the initials. This was probably what you meant was adjectives. So be mindful of these small things, because what it does is, in your audience, it can distract from what you're saying, because the how you're saying it, like I'm repeating myself, how you say something is very important, right? But the content is equally important. So when you mistakenly use a wrong word, sometimes people get a little stuck on that, and they forget to listen to the rest of it. Just to point it out there. So verify your own stuff, especially if you're talking about yellow journalism, where you're speaking about the misrepresentation of facts, okay? And I think the analogy of a bad relationship with trust issues, brilliant. Whoever thought of that, please take the prize now only and go home from my side at least, because that was very ingenious. It was very witty, and the points were perfect. Like, they were actually perfect for both. And I like that, exactly like, Shinoy said that, Pranavesh said that you have to offer solutions. I didn't agree with him. I was a little bit like, not really, no. Thought-provoking is better than solutions. What if your solutions don't work? What if you don't have solutions? But now I see that it totally, the moment it came on screen, I was like, aha, kya baat hai. So I really appreciate that you all took the trouble to not only do your research, but a lot of those were so doable, actionable stuff that I felt like, now I know what is yellow. Even if I did not have any clue before this presentation, I left feeling, now not only do I know what is yellow journalism, I know how to identify it, and then I know how to avoid it. So putting the power in my hands was a brilliant way to end the presentation. And I really give you guys all major kudos for that. So thank you, and thank you for letting me speak for so long. And over to the next mentor.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
अगली बार सिमोना को इतना टाइम नहीं देना है.
Exactly. Simona, you've taken all our pointers, Simona. Now what is left for us to say? Tell me. Okay, guys.
I think we'll take turns. Last time it was CG, this time it's me. Next time it's you, Tina.
So sweet of you. Thank you. I would just like to again put it down to only two things. One, I love the drama, the story that you added to your presentation. Not everybody does that. So it's very important to bind your viewers and, take them through the entire process as if you're just narrating a story. So that adds a lot of value. Colors of the presentation, I think CG's already spoken on. I would just like to tell Tapaswini, the reason why you need to work on your voice is because when you are in a team, my dear, and the other 4 people are strong orators, it just puts you down, not because that you do not know anything. It's just because you are a little soft-spoken and somewhere the person does not register your voice. So that's why you need to come up. Individually, I think if you had to present, it wouldn't really make a difference because they're listening to only your voice. But in a team, you need to just raise the bar up a little and come in sync. But all in all, I am leaving this stage knowing what yellow journalism is all about. So great job, guys. Great job. Yes, Ms. Smita, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Tina, ma'am. Yes. I would also like to say that excellent presentation. I really like the way the theme was maintained throughout the presentation. Content, what I always like the presentations which have very less content, just some symbols, some things which represent, which speak that what you're going to speak about, and the major speaking is done by the presenter. So, just reading out slides and too much of information on the screen, and the people are reading out and talking what is there on the screen. But your presentation was presenting what you want to speak. It was not like too much of information loaded on the slides. So the images, the way images were taken, the way the flow was maintained, and way I actually got the idea today what yellow journalism is all about. And the best part, what I liked is in the end, actually making us as a common man, how you made me aware how I have to avoid this, how I have to keep myself safe. So what Pranavesh sir was talking about, I now could relate it. I could relate it that you gave us a conclusion, proper conclusion, a proper end to it. कि हाँ हमें ये करना है to keep us safe from yellow journalism. So apt presentation, excellent. Thank you so much and all the best. Well done. Proud of you all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, adding to everybody, one point, amazing, spellbound. I could say this presentation, abhi tak, तो दूसरा presentation हुआ है, amazing. I could see Simona's face when Mahima started this way. So amazing start, number one. I could sense that yellow journalism जो topic है, सबसे पहले तो untouched है. In the world outside there, if you go and randomly ask people what is yellow journalism, क्या है भाई वो, ये आएगा पहले तो. So हाँ, जो मीडिया इंडस्ट्री से है उसको येलो जर्नलिज्म क्या है उसको पता है बिकॉज उसके सिलेबस में था. बट इफ यू जनरली आस्क व्हाट इज येलो जर्नलिज्म, पता नहीं, और जनरल टॉपिक्स पता नहीं येलो जर्नलिज्म. सो एज अ मी, as myself, I'm speaking, yellow journalism, a topic for me is new because I am not from media background at all. So coming for me, I love the content because मेरे लिए तो ज्ञान हो गया है पूरा, and मेरे लिए कुछ सीखने को मिला. Amazing. Rohit, stunning job. Coming to the conclusion part, Prachi, fantastic. The way you express yourself, the way you put up your presentation skills out there. फिर आपको बात करने की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं because you speak by your body language. That is how it is. So amazing job done, guys. Fantastic. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Thank
sir.
you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Valuable time. See you all next Sunday. Till then, keep watching our YouTube channel Connect Talk. Collaborate, co-create and contribute. So thank you guys.